Once, during a drought, all the animals gave up searching for water. But a small parrot didn't lose hope. It started digging the dry ground with its tiny beak and claws, trying to find water. The other animals laughed. "You're too small. You'll never succeed." But the parrot kept digging, believing that even small efforts can make a difference. Suddenly, a drop of water appeared. Then more. Because of the parrot's determination, a spring of water gushed out, saving all the animals. Moral: never underestimate small efforts. Persistence brings miracles.